Log in to PriMus Online using your account credentials. The web app homepage opens starting on the My Documents section. Create folders and organize your projects. Open a folder and view its content. Create a project. Upload your documents to your PriMus cloud storage space. Create new folders and share their contents with other users. In the Shared With Me section, you'll find the documents shared by other users. Work and collaborate on documents in real time with your colleagues. The Prices section allows you to quickly open and use other price books available the ACCA website. Now simply check the storage space used and access usbim.store to purchase extra space together with additional new features.